This is their very first raw meal. Well, I shouldn't say that. Very first whole raw meal. They have a chicken breast under there someplace. And they took to it like right away. And they're 4 weeks old today. So today's their 1 month birthday. They're big boys and girls now. Well, this will go on for a while. They're doing good on it. Oh, who stole that? Purple girl. No, pink girl stole the whole chicken breast. Yeah, I'd yell too. Yeah, little green boy. And I think we're going to move them into Puppy World today. I'm going to put that together this afternoon.